Go back up in your ass with the resurrection.
The life of Lord McNeil's. The endangered species now only prowls during the daytime so as to avoid the night predators. He eagerly awaits. He might have spotted us. Shh, shh. Alright, it appears as though he's lost interest. Let's move forward.
We continue on our journey to hunt down the rare John McNeely.
Now, the John usually travels in groups of 2. Here, usually the other one is less fit than the John. So as for a predator attack, all he has to do is outrun his partner, and he will escape. Oh no, he spotted us. Shh.
Easy, 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 easy.
To avoid the cold, the John bounces up and down on the sidewalk. This is how he avoids hitting hypothermia. Oh no, he's fine. Go after him.